Hello everybody, this is Sparky and I am Thea Chang. Why are we dressed like this? That's because we've got an important job to do. Look at Sparky, he's wearing a homemade armor with lots of masks clipped onto it. During our daily walks in shelter-in-place, Sparky and I have done some serious research. Hi, do you guys need more masks?
Yeah, we need to move if you have.
Recognizing there is a shortage, a friend of mine decided to create a fundraising for mask covers manufactured in Taiwan to donate to second-line workers such as cashiers and postal workers. Let's go, Sparky! Let's do our part in trying to help and share with others. Oh, my dog is friendly and he's very talkative. He's just wondering if you need a mask cover. Just wash this with hot water with soap.
Thank you.